So, hello everyone, I am Aryan. You are watching the Keralan Days. This is the episode 2 of Thekkady, the elephant city in Kerala, God's own country. In the last episode, you have watched Munnar. In case you haven't watched it, it will be here in the I button. So, let's go. So on the Thekkady route, there is a point called as Lockhart Gap, which is famous for its mountains and landscaping views. So we went up there, and the tickets were moderately charged around 100 rupees, but we had to pay it online. लॉकहार्ट गैप वॉज वेरी सीनिक व्यू, मतलब वहाँ पे बारिश और धूप और वो टी गार्डन्स एंड दोज माउंटेन्स वर वेरी सीनिक एंड इट वॉज श्योरली वर्थ इट. सो ऑन रूट हमें एक गणपति जी का मंदिर मिला. So the murti was magnificent. It was black in color and it was approximately 12 feet in height, and it was very unique. So we chose our stay at Club Mahindra in Thekkady, and we kept our bags there, and we straight went up to the elephant park, which is famous in Thekkady, and it was very rushy that day. It was a Sunday also, and 4 बज रहे थे. वो गार्डन 6 बजे क्लोज हो जाता है. सो बेसिकली एलिफेंट पार्क में एलिफेंट्स होते हैं, ठीक है, और उसमें हम एक एलिफेंट बाथ कर सकते हैं और एक एलिफेंट राइड कर सकते हैं. एलिफेंट बाथ इज़ 15 मिनट्स एंड चार्ज्ड 1000 रुपीज़ पर पर्सन, एंड एलिफेंट राइड इज़ बेसिकली अ राइड इन फील्ड्स ऑफ बनानाज, और उसका चार्ज है 1 पर्सन के लिए 750 रुपीज़. सो वी डिड बाथ ऑल्सो एंड वी डिड राइड ऑल्सो.
Right.
Kabiret. Son. Baraban. Nyarel Gan.
It was very magical that day. And the elephant also gave me his blessings, and it was very gestureful from the elephant, and everyone was very happy. So then we went up to the Club Mahindra and we did spa over there. The spa was charged very expensive. It was per person 3,000 rupees, and I couldn't shoot the spa videos, of course, because of privacy issues. So the first famous place is Elephant Park, and the second most famous place in Thekkady, which is known in Thekkady and very famous since 100 years, is the Kalari Center. Kalari is basically martial arts originated from Kerala, and I don't know much about that before. And हमने decide किया कि हम शाम का शो लेंगे क्योंकि the lights were good there. There are 10 to 12 centers of Kalari in Thekkady only. So we chose the original one. The original one is located in the center of Thekkady. The original one also has its GI tag. So we went there. So Kalari was full of fire and lights and the weapons, and fees for Kalari was 400 rupees per person if you're sitting in the front, and in the back it was 200 rupees. So the Kalari Center is run by Kaditanadan family. All the wrestlers have their tag of Kaditanadan. That's their stage name also. We went to Kathakali Center. Kathakali Center is located just nearby the Kalari, and it is a dance form of Kerala. It is also famous in so Kathakali से मुझे पहले बहुत डर लगता था because of that unique expressions and the film Kantara also. So we went there and it was very nice. That was our day one in Thekkady, and we slept that night. We were very tired, and it was raining that day in Thekkady also. So next day we were scheduled to leave for Jatayu Center in Kollam. We had our breakfast and the breakfast were very. We had our breakfast and breakfast was very delicious. Pancakes and muffins were served that were made there only. And the Club Mahindra resort is very nice. I recommend you to stay at the Club Mahindra. It's very luxurious and it's uniquely placed in the Thekkady. It's above hills and a very nice experience. That was the Thekkady episode. The next episode is of Jatayu Earth Center, which is located in Kollam, and it's also very unique place, a unique experience. And I'll bring that video in next 2 days. So stay tuned. Details regarding the Kathakali and Kalari Center will be uploaded in the description box below. See you soon.